Using Calendly for Teams can simplify scheduling by coordinating availability across multiple team members, making it ideal for group consultations, client calls, or team-based services. Here's how to set it up. Set up a Calendly team account. Start by upgrading to a team account on Calendly to access team features. This allows you to add multiple users, each with their own Calendly profile under the team account. Create team event types. Go to event types and create events specifically for team bookings. Calendly offers several types of team events. Round Robin rotates meetings among team members based on availability. Collective Event allows multiple team members to join the same meeting, ideal for when a client needs input from several people at once. Group Event lets you schedule group sessions like webinars where multiple clients or participants can join. Set availability and preferences. Each team member can set their own availability, which Calendly will check to suggest the best meeting times. Customize event settings, including meeting duration, buffer times, and invitee questions. Share the team scheduling link. Once configured, share the team's unique Calendly link with clients or post it on your website. Integrate calendars and tools. Connect with Google or Outlook calendars and tools like Zoom to automate meeting links.